Now this video is about the provider. They can have the same, they have same process for the sign up as well as login. They can either use their social media accounts to make a sign in into the application. Either they can make a sign up to completely process their sign up process, and they can be a provider. So let's take a look what's the difference of the sign up process is there. You can see they can fill their details. Once you click on the sign up, they'll select their address, and once that address is being selected, they will be landed onto the home page. Now the basic details which we are going to ask about them is that what service they are providing and how much price they are offering for that service. Now the service which they are coming from here, that is being completely based on those categories which the admin have listed. So once they complete their profile, we'll ask the basic details or the license number, you can say, or qualifications regarding that particular provider, so that admin can verify that particular provider and they can provide their services onto the system. So once they are available on the system, they can make themselves available online so that they can get requests available from the different users. So now this particular provider is online, and whenever any user is coming to the system to place a request, then this user will be visible to them. So now you can see once any new order or new request come to this particular provider, they can either directly accept it or they can provide also the code. Right now they have accepted the provider service, and already you can see the payment has been verified and the user have already paid for this much amount, so that this provider can start their service, and the date for that particular service has been already been assigned to him. If this particular provider want to see the open jobs, they can directly go from quote request and they can see for whichever job request they have provided their codes and what is their current status is. So once they click on that, they can see about the details what this user have requested during their service. Once they complete that service and the user mark the service or rating provided by the user to this particular provider, then that amount after the admin commission deduction will be released to this particular provider, and that goes into the earnings of that provider. You can see weekly wallet balance is available to him. This will be weekly, monthly or yearly, it depends upon how much balance they have in their wallet. They can see the list of those messages. They can chat with that particular users whom the request has been sent to this particular provider for the bookings. So they can do a discussion with them regarding their services and other details to them. They can read about term and condition of this application from this, and this page is completely managed by the admin panel. Whatever the data admin is going to enter over there, that is going to be reflected on this application at the runtime. In the settings, basic settings, they can do edit profile, then they can also edit their services whatever they have added. So once they click on the edit, then they can see the details what they have used in this filling up this service while they have created a new account into the system. Even they want to enable or disable the notification, they can do directly from here. They will not be receiving any further notification related to this application until this notification is disabled. They can change the password for their account directly from here. They can also read the FAQs related to the system from here, and whatever the data that admin have uploaded over here, that is being displayed over here. They can also switch to user view once they want any other services if they are not serving anymore. So like they can switch to provider and provider can switch to user, and then user can also switch to provider. So it's a vice versa. If a provider is a user, then user can also become a provider. They can also make a logout of the system and sign up with a different account. So this is all about the provider flow. Thank you.